Greetings. Today is Wednesday, December 15th, 2010, and those of us here in the Denver area are actually looking forward to a little snow tonight. They keep downgrading the forecast, though. Some of you in the rest of the United States or even in Europe would be saying, hoping for snow. We've had plenty of it over the course of the last few weeks. We haven't had much. Normally we have about a foot and a half by now, and we've had about an inch and a half. So anyway, I always look forward to it. Growing up here in Denver, I look forward to some snow in the wintertime. Anyway, tonight's jump, get unstuck moment has to do with what gives you energy. It's one of those strange things to think about, especially this time of the year for many people. It seems to be just one energy-draining activity after another. I've got so much on my plate, so many things to do, so many things to worry about. I'll never get it done. And we just ruminate. We go over and over and over again with all the things that we seem like we need to do. It's unusual, but maybe another way of looking at it would be today, as I start the things that I need to do, or the things that I want to do, that's another discussion altogether, is what on my list, or what of the things that I do actually gives me energy. For me, it's a pretty easy answer for sure. You know, there's certain things that I find draining and energy depleting, like administration and books and tax returns and things like that. I have to do them, but certain things that are very much energy fulfilling and give me energy, things like helping others. Tonight, here in a little while, I'll be leaving to go facilitate the board meeting for a nonprofit that's based here. It's called Seeking Common Ground, and they focus on bringing Palestinian and Israeli kids together, and some new American kids too, but in some new and really kind of powerful sorts of ways. And I've been helping them with some strategic planning and some visioning, and that kind of work really gives me energy. And in many ways, it helps me kind of get through the other things that maybe take a little bit of energy away from me. So next time you're sort of looking down at your list, wherever it might be on your iPhone or your BlackBerry or your Android, or some still use good old paper and pencil. I'm a Post-it note kind of guy. I've got Post-its all over my desk. When you sit and look at what's on your list of things to do, ask yourself, what on this list, or what of all the things that I do, gives me energy? And then focus on doing that. Enjoy that and refill your tanks. And certainly we need to do some of the other things too, but ask yourself tonight, tomorrow, what gives me energy, and spend some time doing that. So that's our jump, get unstuck moment for today. Thanks for stopping by.